Hey, if your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds keep disconnecting from your iPhone, Android phone, or for example PC, let me show you how we can try to fix this. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to go into the Bluetooth settings on your device and simply unpair headphones by forgetting the device. Now you can also turn off the Bluetooth settings on your device, and then be sure that you simply input both earbuds inside this charging case. Now we have to rotate this device and find this back button. When you find it, you will have to click and hold it when the case is open, and you have to just wait until this indicator starts blinking red. So first it will actually turn blue, but after this it will actually goes green. It will goes red and starts blinking. So all the time we have to hold this button until it disappears. So now we have to close this case, open it, and click and hold this button one more time to enter for the pairing mode. So just wait for it. There we go. Now we can release. Remember about keeping this case open. And then click on this switcher and select your Sony WF-1000XM5 from the list. So click on them once. And as you can see now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video right now. Please tell me if it works and leave a like under this video and subscribe to my channel.